Big breaking news coming in, Bhavtosh. You were giving us each and every update from the SC, and now we have confirmation. Arvind Kejriwal has managed to get bail, so it's certainly a big relief coming. Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party's way. Arvind Kejriwal managing to get bail. Bhavtosh, give us all the updates from the SC.
Yes, big news, big relief for Arvind Kejriwal. After 155 days, Arvind Kejriwal will be walking out of Tihar jail. He was arrested first by the Enforcement Directorate on 21st March, then again arrested by the CBI on 26th of June. He is out on interim bail in the Enforcement Directorate case, so he will be stepping out of Tihar jail around 6:30 or 7 p.m. That's what our sources in Tihar jail has told us. Condition will be fixed by trial court. Once they get a certified copy from Supreme Court, they will be moving towards trial court. That's a court number 512. Special Judge Kaveri Baweja will fix the conditions for Arvind Kejriwal. The conditions will remain same. It would be a bail bond of around 100,000 rupees, and then there would be a surety of the same amount. A person have to in fact appear before the investigating officer. But the fact is that the investigation in this case are now over. The trial will start whenever the charges will be framed. It will be framed. But the fact is that Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, another important thing, Meenakshi, is the fact is that Arvind Kejriwal arrest by the CBI has been confirmed, is legal. But the fact that prolonged incarceration is now being considered something that should not be done. That point has been upheld by the Supreme Court. The fact that all the accused in this case are now in fact are out on bail, that has also been considered by the Supreme Court. So on condition of parity, the fact that charge sheets in this case have been filed, that there is no further investigation, Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi's Chief Minister, has been granted bail, and by late this evening he will be stepping out of Tihar jail after 155 days. Back to you.
Well, certainly Arvind Kejriwal granted bail. It's a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal as well, Bhavtosh. But it's very important to underline as well, isn't it, the fact that the Supreme Court has given bail to Arvind Kejriwal, but at the same time, the Apex Court has also said that there is no illegality in Arvind Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI, isn't it?
Yes, a very important point that Supreme Court has mentioned in its order, that the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal is legal. In fact, it is a concurrent judgment. It has been, it is not a split verdict. It's a concurrent judgment by the division bench of Justice Kant and Justice Bhuyan. So Justice Bhuyan is now reading the judgment. So there will be two judgments. It's a concurrent judgment, and the Supreme Court has given bail to Arvind Kejriwal, the manner in which other accused are out on bail. Since the time Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, be it Sanjay Singh, be it any other party member, they have all said that the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal was illegal, that it was done primarily because of the fact that he was given interim bail by the Supreme Court. But now what has happened is the Supreme Court has said that Section 41, Part 2, Part A, Part 2 was in fact maintained by the Supreme Court, by the Central Bureau of Investigation, that due procedure was followed. So the arrest was in fact legal, but because other accused have been given bail, that prolonged incarceration should not be done once the investigations are over. So Arvind Kejriwal would be walking out. Conditions will be fixed by the trial court. So
yes, and Bhavtosh, since you're speaking of conditions, we have another update coming in from the SC. SC basically saying the conditions imposed in the ED case is going to continue. Does that mean that Kejriwal cannot attend office and he can't sign any files?
Yes, that's what our legal editor Harish has said. This is very important. In fact, while it is relief for Arvind Kejriwal, but it is also in a way setback for him. This means Arvind Kejriwal would not attend office and cannot sign any official files. It's a very, very big setback for him. So there are two setbacks for him. One, that his arrest has been said as illegal, and more importantly, he cannot attend office. He cannot sign any official files. Now it's up to Arvind Kejriwal whether he wants to continue as the Chief Minister of Delhi, because he is an accused in the alleged excise scam. His party has also been made an accused in the Enforcement Directorate case, and now Supreme Court has said that he cannot attend office and cannot sign any official files.
Exactly.
Now it is up to the party, up to Arvind Kejriwal, whether he wants to continue as the Chief Minister of Delhi
or not. Is that going to happen or not, Bhavtosh? Why don't you hold on to that thought? We have Akashdeep